Hello and welcome to this online presentation all about how you can use AutoHotkey to accelerate development. If you have a question, please feel free to post it in the chat and I'll do my best to answer everything towards the end of the presentation. My name is Gabriel and here's a little info about me. I've been making games here in Toronto since I was 10 years old. I've published 16 games under the studio name of Bluish Green Productions, 2 of which are up on Steam now. I also produced 64 episodes of a game design podcast called Gameology, with my co-host, games journalist Matthew Fulvey. I've been using AutoHotkey for just a couple years, but it's already helped me cut out countless hours of work and become an indispensable part of how I use computers. Here's a quick outline of what you can expect from this presentation. We'll start with an introduction to what AutoHotkey is, and a quick overview of what it can do. From there, I'll be sharing a series of anecdotes on problems I've solved with AutoHotkey, and key lessons I learned as I worked towards a solution. My goal with this presentation is to give everyone watching an idea of the kinds of problems you can solve with AutoHotkey. Even if you don't end up using these ideas directly, you can get a sense of how you could adapt the program to fit your needs. To be clear, this is not a presentation on how to program your own hotkeys, so I won't be getting into any syntax. At the end, I'll have a summary of the 10 lessons, and we'll move on to Q&A. So let's start with a basic definition of what AutoHotkey is. According to AutoHotkey's own website, it is a scripting language for Windows that allows users to easily create scripts to accelerate or automate tasks. Okay, but what is it? Fundamentally, it's a program that lets you create your own hotkeys. You can use it to remap hotkeys when that functionality doesn't exist within a program. You can use it to replace uncomfortable or difficult to remember hotkeys. You can also replace hotkeys which are both difficult to press and hard to remember. I'm looking at you, Google Docs, with your Alt-Shift-5 shortcut to put a strike-through effect on text. Using AutoHotkey's unique scripting language, you specify a keyboard key and what you want that key to do. You can run these scripts on a computer with AutoHotkey installed, or you can compile them into an exe so they will run on any PC. These scripts are basically lightweight programs which run in the background on your computer. But AutoHotkey can do so much more than simple key remapping. It can move your cursor, generate clicks or keystrokes, open folders, launch programs or web pages. From a programming perspective, AutoHotkey has the ability to store values in variables. You can declare and call functions. You can pass command line arguments. You can call external scripts, and even create graphical user interfaces. The things you can do with AutoHotkey can be downright magical, but you might have an issue using it in certain work environments where companies do not let you install custom software on their computers. It's worth mentioning that AutoHotkey itself is regarded to be safe, but like any programming language, someone could use it to write potentially malicious code. It freaked out one of my employers when they saw that one of the utilities that comes with AutoHotkey is literally called Windows Spy. So when in doubt, you can avoid using other people's scripts and write things yourself so you understand 100% of what the program is doing.